I've gone for this kind of sagey color. It's really nice soft touch plastic though. I wasn't necessarily expecting that. Oh, I see. So the little dock thing has the USB-C there. And I'm guessing, because this is magnetic, you can think about DIY accessories, or of course they could sell some accessories as well. It's refreshing in waves, which is nice. It's a very subtle refresh there. I think this just feels immediately like they've iterated on the original and made a better product. I'm guessing this is a just single Wi-Fi connecting to its Wi-Fi look to allow you to then put it on your own Wi-Fi. Yeah, I've just got a configuration to connect the terminal onto the house Wi-Fi. Success, use the friendly ID, and already logged in here. So I think I can just add a new device, type in the friendly ID. Really like the vibes, by the way. The friendly ID, I used to call my phone hotspot friendly Wi-Fi. Device successfully linked. It's going to do its firmware update. So I'm going to dive into the software and decide what to send it, but a very smooth setup indeed here. You can see, wow, 1,000 plugins already, build a playlist, charge every 3 months.